Hi friends, today I have a bucket and we're gonna collect salt water. Because we're gonna make salt, because salt's important.
WhichBetty,
Hi friends!
this Betty, WhichBetty, this Betty, forging on the forest floor, follow her for earth lore, Betty, Betty, Betty.
Did you know that all life on Earth has evolved to be dependent on the chemical compounds of salt? Throughout human history, wars have been fought over salt. So in my opinion, any good planner should know how to make salt because you may need it in a new world. Or just to make your soup taste better. I've got some boots on, I've got a container, and I've got an ocean. An ocean's a pretty important part. Unless you thought we were gonna mine rock salt, we're not gonna do that. Let's get the water. It's so fucking cold. This is not the best way to do this, but it's cold. This part is known as the brine. Okay, so we're home and in my kitchen, we've got our brine or seawater. We've got a stove and a clean pot. I'm using cast iron just because I can, but you can use whatever kind of pot you want. Now, because I got this salt directly from the ocean, there's going to be particles in it, so I'm going to use a reusable coffee filter to strain it. Now, let's bring it to a boil. Salt has played a pivotal role in human civilization, allowing us both the ability to preserve food and to make our food less bland. Salt comes from two main sources, one being sea salt and the other being the sodium chloride compound known as halite, which you may know as rock salt. I've made an executive decision to switch to a stainless steel pot because I have a feeling that the cast iron is reacting with the salt and making it discolored. So let's see. I'm gonna do both, but look how brown that's going. Look at all this salt forming. This is just one pot of water, and we've got this much salt already. I always turn it way down when I get to this stage so I don't burn the salt. So I've evaporated all the water out of this piece of ocean, and look what we've got. Perfect sea salt. This salt can be used in any way that other salt is used. You could use it for magic, facial scrubs, eating. Oh, it's very salty. Now you know how to make your own sea salt, and next I'm going to show you how to make a facial scrub. We'll also use an oil infused with calendula and rose hips and talk about how to make that. So like and follow, or you might miss out. If you watch my next video, you'll see what we did with the salt that got the rust in it.